To format a PhD thesis in MS Word, you will need to follow the specific guidelines provided by your university or department. However, there are some general formatting principles that apply to all theses, such as font. Use a standard font, such as Times New Roman, Arial, or Book Antiqua. Avoid using decorative fonts or fonts that are too small. Font size. Use a font size of 12 points for the main body of your thesis, and larger font sizes for headings and subheadings. Spacing. Use 1.5 line spacing for the main body of your thesis, and single line spacing for headings and subheadings. Margins. Use 1-inch margins on all sides of your thesis. Page numbering. Number all pages of your thesis, except for the title page and abstract. Use Roman numerals for the front matter pages, e.g., I, E, E, etc., and Arabic numerals for the main text and back matter pages. To use MS Word formatting for a PhD thesis, you can follow these steps. 1. Create a new Word document. 2. Set the margins. 2. Go to Layout Margins and select the normal margins. 3. Set the font and font size. 3. Go to the Home tab and select the font and font size that you want to use. 4. Set the line spacing. 4. Go to the Home tab and click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. 4. Select the 1.5 lines line spacing. 5. Create a style for each level of heading. 5. Go to the Home tab and click the Styles button. 6. Click the New Style button and create a style for each level of heading in your thesis, e.g., Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, etc. 6. Format your headings and subheadings. 6. Apply the appropriate heading style to each heading and subheading in your thesis. 7. Insert a table of contents. 7. Go to References, Table of Contents and select the automatic Table 1 style. 8. Insert a list of figures and tables. 8. Go to References, Table of Figures and select the automatic Table 1 style. 9. Insert footnotes and endnotes. 9. Go to References, insert footnote or insert endnote. 10. Number your pages. 10. Go to Insert Page Number and select the bottom of page position. Once you have formatted your thesis according to the required guidelines, you can proofread it carefully and submit it to your supervisor or department. Here is an example of a simple PhD thesis template in MS Word. Title page. Your name. Your department. Your university. Date. Abstract. Your abstract. Table of contents. Introduction. Literature review. Methodology. Results. Discussion. Conclusion. References. Appendix. You can use this template as a starting point for formatting your own PhD thesis. Be sure to check with your university or department for any specific formatting requirements.